Hi, welcome to this week's topic on interphase, which is 90% of the cell cycle. There are three components of the interphase, which include the gap phase 1, the synthesis phase, and gap phase 2. Gap phase 1. It is also known as the G1. In this phase, cells will grow in preparation for cell division. In the gap phase 1, it checks for favorable conditions. If the conditions are favorable, the cell will enter the S phase. If the conditions are unfavorable, the cell will enter the G0 phase. The G0 phase. This is where cells come when conditions are not favorable. In the G0 phase, cells still carry out their function but halt in the cell cycle. Cells that do not divide are stuck in the G0 phase. The synthesis phase, which is known as the S phase. In this phase, cells will replicate its genome here and move to the gap phase 2 when completed. In the S phase, centriomes will duplicate. Gap phase 2, which is known as G2. In this phase, cells continue to grow and prepare for cell division by checking DNA for any error after replication. In gap phase 2, organelles are replicated.